Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see you want to sell the t-shirt, shirt, caps or start your own business with limited investment. No need to invest as a store in your money. You should come the Printful lower DGT prices and exclusive growth plan discount. You earn more per sale. You can enjoy better membership perks and get 33% off all product, 25% off samples and free digitization to maximize your saving. The best part of growth plan, if you earn or sell $12,000 annual sale, Printful deliver top tires quality and unbeatable prices. So start your business today with Printful. So now let's start demonstration how to use, how to sign up and how you start your business. Let's check it out on Mac screen. So first of all, you need to open the Google and just type here Printful. Even I already added the link in video description. Look at this here, print on demand with Printful. Enter here, turn your idea into the design for your apparel collection. You should just tell them which types of t-shirt, which types of cap, which types of product you want. They should make same product with your logo and directly you can sell the product via Printful to direct your customer and you should earn money in between. Let's start how to do it. Look at this. This is a platform. You should make design which types of product you want making. How to make money with print on demand. Connect with Printful. So today we are connecting here. List products, make sell, we do the rest of. So you should make a product here, give it to them all the information and those product list, put it on your social media, YouTube channel or make your own website. You can put it on Amazon. You receive the request, you forward the request them how many product you want to sell in the specific address. They can sell your directly product. It's amazing. So now I just simply sign up. First of all, how you sign up, it's very simple. Via Google, I just use my email address. After that, you just put it here, your name. So official name you need to add here, email address, then sign up. Look at this here, tell us about you, sell online or order myself, product myself, friend or family, bulk order, test my design, company merge or which types of product you want to record. So product, for the look at this here, YouTube products and all. So I just say YouTube, finish. So look at this here, I create account successfully here. So the more your idea in the more you save. Pick up your item, create awesome design and order and enjoy. That one is really amazing. Here some of the product if you purchase or you want create your own design on t-shirt, hoodie t-shirts is also available here. One of my favorite, and cap, mug and some paintings also available. If you want make a painting poster, bunch of options are available here. Here the order, if you want make the order, so you should come here. The product catalog related information is available here, which types of product they are designing, especially man, woman, kids, accessories, home and living, hats and all types of product they are design and making. Especially if you visit in accessories, so one of the best product every time they are selling crystal clear iPhone covers, travel bag, shoes also they are providing you as a own product with the design as well. If you select the raw product and after that they can make such kind of design of this product and everything you should make. You come here, select the product and design your own product. How exactly works this one? Create or edit the template, pick a product and design and order the product and share your template. That's it. Here some of the product is available, but I just simply select here demo point of view. You can do same things in your favorite product as well, no matter which types of product you like. So I just simply select here this hoodie t-shirt. Product quality is amazing and here your name or your text you should add here. So I just simply type here my text and that one is a Research Rocks, and here the text style is also available. If you want add some of the other text, so you should add the other text as well. Inside this square you should put it your channel name. So the product price is 229 Danish krona. Here prices is available here. 0 to 15,000 K is free. After that, they are charging little expensive, a digitization free, VAT, shopping, other charges not included here. This is my final product, and if I say here make order, this basic order, custom, create your order, and you should select here size as well. As a size point of view, here the size ratio is also available. Which size you want require, accordingly you should decide, and then after you can very easily purchase the specific size. So I always order XL and then add the chart card. So final price of this product is a 280 Danish krona. It's affordable, budget friendly, because of such kind of product here available in market around 300 to 500 Danish krona in between. With the adding my name, if you continue the shopping, you should add here your address, calculate the shopping. So final product price is including the VAT 376 Danish krona. If you order this product, look at this here, continue order point of view, you should use your PayPal, credit card, debit card, and pay later with, this is one of the platform are providing you the transaction, or you can select your bank transaction as well. Which one you want, like accordingly you should decide, and that is the final thing. The same thing you can create those product in your website. One of the important points, same process, you can create those product, put it on your social media, Instagram, YouTube, or your personal website, and then accordingly customer can come your page. You should select this order, put it here, and directly send it to customer address. That one is really interesting. As a store point of view, you need to create your Instagram account or website page, select those product here. The product is available like in catalog, and put it on your website, and then accordingly customer can come here, select the specific product like this, and you should order for the customer on your website with the help of Printful. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.